DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Energy Efficiency Upgrades. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course on Energy Efficiency Upgrades. In a world where energy consumption and environmental impact are increasingly important, making your home more energy efficient is not only beneficial for the planet but also for your wallet. Energy efficiency upgrades can help reduce energy waste, lower utility bills, and create a more comfortable living environment. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, provide an overview of the top 12 energy efficiency upgrade projects, and empower you to make positive changes in your home. Get ready to save energy, save money, and contribute to a greener future. Stories and examples. 1. The power of insulation. A homeowner realizes that the lack of proper insulation in their attic is causing significant heat loss and high energy bills. After adding insulation, they notice a dramatic improvement in their home's comfort and a noticeable decrease in energy consumption. 2. The energy-efficient lighting journey. A family decides to replace all their traditional incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs. They are amazed by the longevity of LED bulbs and the significant reduction in their energy usage, resulting in substantial cost savings over time. Top 12 Energy Efficiency Upgrade Projects. 1. Seal air leaks. Identify and seal air leaks in your home to prevent drafts and heat loss, improving energy efficiency and comfort. 2. Upgrade to energy-efficient lighting. Replace incandescent bulbs with energy-saving LED or CFL bulbs to reduce electricity consumption and increase bulb lifespan. 3. Install a programmable thermostat. Optimize your home's heating and cooling by installing a programmable thermostat that adjusts temperatures based on your schedule. 4. Improve insulation. Add insulation to your walls, attic, and floors to reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. 5. Upgrade windows and doors. Install energy-efficient windows and doors to prevent air leakage and improve thermal insulation. 6. Upgrade appliances. Replace old, energy-guzzling appliances with energy-efficient models to save on electricity usage. 7. Use smart power strips. Utilize smart power strips that automatically shut off power to devices when not in use to eliminate phantom energy consumption. 8. Install ceiling fans. Enhance airflow and reduce reliance on air conditioning by installing ceiling fans in key rooms. 9. Upgrade HVAC systems. Replace outdated HVAC systems with energy-efficient models that provide better temperature control and use less energy. 10. Insulate hot water pipes. Wrap hot water pipes with insulation to minimize heat loss and increase energy efficiency in water heating. 11. Use energy-efficient window coverings. Install energy-efficient window coverings such as blinds or curtains to reduce heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter. 12. Install solar panels. Harness the power of the sun by installing solar panels to generate clean and renewable energy for your home. Summarization. Energy efficiency upgrades are not only beneficial for the environment but also for your household budget. By implementing the top 12 energy efficiency upgrade projects, you can significantly reduce energy waste, lower utility bills, and create a more comfortable living space. Whether it's sealing air leaks, upgrading lighting, or installing solar panels, these projects empower you to make a positive impact on the environment and enjoy the financial rewards of energy efficiency. Poem. In a world that seeks to heal, where energy conservation is ideal, we embark on a journey, you and I, to make our homes more sustainable and spry. Sealing air leaks, those elusive drafts. Creating a barrier, energy theft is quashed. Efficient lighting, a glow so bright. Saving energy, both day and night. Programmable thermostats, a touch of finesse. optimizing comfort, with no excess. Insulation, a shield against the cold. Energy efficiency, a story yet untold. Windows and doors, a gateway of light. Upgrading their efficiency, oh what a sight. Appliances modern, energy-saving delight. Reducing our footprint, shining so bright. Smart power strips, a technological feat. Banishing phantom power, oh so sweet. Ceiling fans, a breeze on a summer's day. Reducing reliance, keeping heat at bay. HVAC systems, efficient and new. Controlling temperatures, just for you. Insulated pipes, heat loss controlled. Energy savings, a story of gold. Window coverings, stylish and smart. Reducing heat gain, playing their part. Solar panels, harnessing the sun's might. Renewable energy, shining so bright. These energy efficiency upgrades we make. A step towards a greener earth we take. Save energy, save money, and do your part. For a sustainable future, where we all have a heart. Song. Verse 1. We're on a mission, to save the day. Making our homes more energy efficient in every way. Sealing air leaks, stopping drafts in their tracks. Reducing energy waste, no turning back. Chorus. Energy efficiency, it's the way to be. Saving the planet, and saving money, can't you see? From lighting to insulation, upgrades we'll make. Creating a sustainable future, for goodness sake. Verse 2. Programmable thermostats, optimizing our heat. Controlling temperatures, oh so neat. Upgrading windows and doors, sealing out the cold. Improving energy efficiency, a story yet untold. Chorus. Energy efficiency, it's the way to be. Saving the planet, and saving money, can't you see? From lighting to insulation, upgrades we'll make. Creating a sustainable future, for goodness sake. Bridge. Smart power strips, reducing phantom drain. Ceiling fans spinning, cooling us again. HVAC systems, efficient and new. Insulated pipes, conserving energy too. Chorus. Energy efficiency, it's the way to be. Saving the planet, and saving money, can't you see? From lighting to insulation, upgrades we'll make. Creating a sustainable future, for goodness sake. Outrow. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.